happy birthday, Mayo. Into your birthday tomorrow. So, you're 60 years old. Okay?
Bro, happy birthday bro. 50 years old ka na bro ah. Golden gay.
Hello, happy birthday. Happy 50th birthday. More birthdays to come. Wish you a good health and happy life. Mwah!
Tayo, enjoy. Happy birthday to in this special day. Ingat ka lagi. Huwag ka na mag-alala. Darating ang kapatid.
Happy 50th birthday, Chok. Wishing you good health and more birthdays to come.
Hello, Te. Tibutyo. Good morning, Te. Happy birthday. Sana lahat ng dreams mo sa birthday mo is matupad mo paunti-unti. Sana maging masaya kang ngayong birthday mo. Lahat ng mga plano mo sa buhay, matupad. And good health always and stay always beautiful. Alalahanin natin, Te, we're not getting younger. We're getting older anymore. Yan. Mabuhay ka hanggang gusto mo. Love kita, Te. Alam mo yan. Happy birthday. See you on your birthday. Love you, Te.
Pugeng, happy birthday, Pugeng. 50 ka na. Sana makanap ka na forever. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Tata Chok! Happy birthday!
Tata, enjoy your special birthday. I love you.
Hi, Ta. Happy birthday. Ingat ka palagi. I love you so much.
Ta, happy birthday. Enjoy your day. More birthday to come. Sana less stress ka na this year.
Hi Ta, happy 50th birthday. Salamat sa lahat ng pagsuporta mo sa akin nung bata ako at pag-aalaga sa amin ng mga pinsan ko. Sana proud ka din sa sarili mo na nagawa mo lahat ng yun. And huwag ka mag-alala, babawi ako pagdating ng panahon sa lahat ng pag-aalaga mo sa amin. Love you, Ta.